Welcome to Riz English Channel.
Imagine you are sitting in a cafe, listening to two people speak English. You understand some words, but not everything. You want to learn English in a natural way, like you learned your first language. Today, we will help you do exactly that. Welcome to the Riz English Channel. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy you're here. I'm Riz, and today we're going to learn English in a very natural way.
Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I'm excited, but also a little nervous. Learning English sometimes feels scary.
That's okay, Zoe. Many learners feel that. But today, we will make it simple, very simple, like listening to a story, like talking with a friend.
That sounds nice. I like friendly learning.
Good. And for our listeners, try to relax. Just listen, smile, enjoy, and repeat with us when you can. You will understand more than you think.
Oh, that's the magic of natural learning, right? Comprehensible input?
Exactly. Comprehensible input means you learn by listening to English you can understand. Not too hard, not too easy. Just right. Like warm soup.
Soup. I'm hungry now.
You can eat later, Zoe. First, let's learn. But yes, comprehensible input helps your brain learn English naturally, the same way babies learn.
So we just listen a lot?
Yes, listen, enjoy, understand the big meaning. You don't need to know every word. The important idea is this. When English feels understandable, your brain grows. You learn without stress.
That actually sounds fun. I don't like stress.
Me too. No stress here. Just smiles.
Smiles and soup?
Yes, smiles and soup. Okay, listeners, here's a question for you. Are you ready to learn English naturally? Say it out loud. I'm ready.
I'll say it too. I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with a little warm-up. Zoe, how are you today?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but good.
Sleepy.
Yes, I slept late last night.
Ah, that happens. Listeners, repeat this. I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy.
Good. And now repeat, I'm good.
I'm good.
Nice. Simple phrases, easy to use every day. Here is a mini recap. I'm sleepy. I'm good. Very common. Very useful.
I can say those almost every day.
Exactly. Use simple English often. That's how you grow. Now, let's go deeper into natural English learning. Listeners, here's a small hook for you. Many learners study grammar rules first, but there is one rule your brain loves more. Can you guess? Zoe?
Ice cream?
Close. Almost, but no. The rule is understand first, speak later.
Oh, okay. That actually feels true. When I understand something, I speak better.
Yes. So today we will give you lots of understandable English, story-like English, easy conversation. Let's try a small story to help your brain receive natural input.
Ooh, story time.
Yes, a very short story. Listeners, imagine this. Zoe is on a bus. She wants to go to the city center, but she doesn't know if she is on the right bus.
This feels familiar already.
Zoe looks at the driver and says, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?"
Nice and simple.
Very simple. Repeat after me, listeners. Excuse me, does this bus go to...
Excuse me, does this bus go to...
Great. And the driver says, yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. Simple answers.
And then I don't get lost.
Exactly. So in this story, you learned two simple things. Excuse me, and does this bus go to? These are powerful phrases for travel and daily life.
They really are. I use excuse me all the time.
Good. Listeners, say it again. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excellent. Short recap. Use excuse me to start a polite question. Use does this bus go to ask about transportation. So far, so good.
Okay, next mini hook. Many learners want to sound natural, but they forget one small phrase. Just one. And it makes English sound friendly. Do you know what it is?
Maybe thank you?
That's a good one. But the phrase is, oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's simple, but it helps you sound natural. People use it every day when they learn new information. For example, the driver says, yes, the bus goes to the city center. And Zoe says,
Oh, okay. Thank you.
perfect.
Listeners, repeat. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
See? Easy. Use it when you understand something. Your English becomes more natural instantly.
I feel more natural already.
Good. Let's practice a little more. Listeners, I will ask a simple question. You answer out loud. Ready? Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Good. And listeners, your turn. Think about your answer. Say it out loud. Yes, I like English. Or maybe, yes, a little. Good job.
Can we do another one?
Sure. Do you study English every day?
I try.
Honest answer. Listeners, say your answer. I study every day. Or I study a little. Or I study sometimes. All answers are okay.
This is fun. It feels like a game.
That's the secret. When learning feels fun, your brain learns faster. That's why comprehensible input works so well. You relax, you understand, you grow.
So understand first, speak later.
Yes, you got it.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Perfect use. And now a quick story to finish. Zoe walks into a small shop. She wants water.
I'm thirsty.
She says, "Excuse me, do you have water?"
Very easy.
Yes. And the shopkeeper says, "Yes, here you go." Zoe says,
Oh, okay. Thank you.
"Beautiful." Listeners, repeat it. Do you have water? Good. Simple, useful, natural.
I like these phrases. They make me feel more confident.
Confidence grows with input, and you are doing great.
Thank you, Riz.
You're welcome. And listeners, here is your final recap for today. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Do you have water? Does this bus go to the city center? I'm sleepy. I'm good.
These are great everyday phrases.
Yes, use them, practice them, speak them when you can. And keep listening to easy English like this podcast. That's how you learn English naturally.
So, everyone, keep going. You are doing amazing.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend, subscribe, and keep practicing a little every day.
You can do it. Really, we believe in you.
And remember, English grows inside you when you understand it. Keep listening, keep smiling, and keep going.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.